Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Kaluzgi Orchid School. I am Pooja Rajmane. I am your computer teacher. In last period, we discussed about the notepad. What we are doing in notepad? We can write in notepad, we can change the font size, we can change the font color also. Now we will solve skill sheet of this chapter. Now open your skill sheet. Page number 17. We will solve skill sheet. What is the first one question? Label the component of the notepad window and write them below. Number are given and we have to write name of this number, means what you call that first number, second number, third number, fourth number, that we have to write. What do you call to the first number? It is title bar, T-I-T-L-E, title bar. Write down fast, T-I-T-L-E-B-A-R, title bar. Second number, what do you call to the second number? Control buttons, C-O-N-T-R-O-L, control, B-U-T-T-O-N. S, control buttons. Title bar, control buttons. Third one, menu bar, M-E-N-U, menu, B-A-R, bar. What do you call to the fourth number? It is cursor, C-U-R-S-O-R, cursor. Fifth number, it is the writing area. What do you call that writing area? Text area, T-E-X-T, text, A-R-E-A, text area. Sixth number, what do you call that? Vertical scroll bar, V-E-R-T-I-C-A-L, vertical, S-C-R-O-L-L, scroll, B-A-R, vertical scroll bar. And what you call this last one? Horizontal scroll bar, H-O-R-I-Z-O-N-T-A-L, horizontal, S-C-R-O-L-L, scroll, B-A-R, bar, horizontal scroll bar. Write down fast, title bar, control button, menu bar, cursor, text area, vertical scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar. Write down fast. Finish. Now turn the page and what is the question? Match the following. Match the following. Here symbols are given and we have to join the name, means what you call that symbol. What is the first one? What it is? What it is? Close button, menu bar, title bar, control button, maximize button, minimize button or restore button. What do you call that symbol? Why we are using this? Yes, it is called as a minimize button. And why we are using it? If you want to minimize the window, then that time we are using this symbol. Which button? Minimize button. Minimize. Where is the minimize there? Sixth one is minimize. Minimize button. Second one, maximize. Right. Then where is the maximize? It is fifth one. Maximize is fifth one. What is the use of maximize? If you want to large the size of window, then that time we can use the maximize button. Next one is what it is? Good. Close. If you want to close the notepad, then close button is useful. Close. First one. Then this is different between this symbol and this symbol. When we first time use this symbol, then we can get this type of button. It is called as a restore button. Then where is the option restore? Seventh one. Then join this button restore. You can see untitled notepad. You can see untitled notepad. What is showing? Yes, good. It is title bar. Which number? Title bar? It is third one. Next one, file, edit, format, view, help. What it is? Good. It is menu. These are menu and this is called as a menu bar. Menu bar. Menu bar. Now you can see minimize button, maximize button and close button. What do you call all together? Control buttons. Good. Control buttons. First one, minimize button. If you not understand here, then here write A it is. What is the answer of A? Minimize. Sixth one. Then write here sixth. Next one, maximize. Fifth one. Then write fifth. Close. First one. Then D, what it is? Restore. Seventh one. Untitled notepad means what it is? Title bar. It is third one. File, edit, help. What it is? Menu. It is menu bar. Second one. And G, it is minimize, maximize and close. All together we call control buttons. It is fourth one. You understand when you are doing, but for learning time you don't understand. That's why write here numbers. Then it is easy to understand. Write down fast. Write here number also. Then for the exam time it is easy to understand, easy to learn. Write down fast. And when you are drawing, use pencil and scale. Use scale, then it is looking good. Finish. Write down fast. Then from page number 19 to 23 there is a nothing for writing. It is practical. We'll do practically afterwards. Firstly we will solve skill sheet, afterwards we will do practically. How to write number, how to write letter, we will see this afterwards. Firstly we will solve skill sheet. Now open page number 24. Page number 24. Fill in the blanks. Dash dash is a program in which a user can type in any kind of text. Where you can type any kind of text? On the notepad. Good. NOTEPAD. Notepad is a program in which a user can type in any kind of text. Write down fast. NOTEPAD. Notepad. Notepad is a program in which a user can type in any kind of text. Second one, the dash dash displays the name of the programs. Where we can see name of the programs? Which bar is showing name of the program? Good. It is title bar. TITLEBAR. Title bar. The title bar displays the name of the programs. TITLEBAR. Title bar displays the name of the program. Third one, the dash dash display the program menu. Who display the program menu? Menu bar. Menu bar display the program menu. The menu bar displays the program menu. Fourth one, dash dash option is like a toggle option. Which is the toggle option? Is like a toggle option. What it is? Yes, word wrap. WORD WRAP word wrap option is like a toggle option. Word wrap option is like a toggle option. The dash dash option is used to make a duplicate copy of the selected portion of text. The dash dash option is used to make a duplicate copy of the selected portion of the text. What it is? Copy. The copy option is used to make a duplicate copy of the selected portion of text. COPY, copy. The dash dash option is used to print the document. Which option is useful for print the document? Yes, print option. PRINT. Print option is used to print the document. Write down fast. And read with me from first. Notepad is a program in which a user can type in any kind of text. The title bar displays the name of the programs. The menu bar displays the program menu. Fourth one, word wrap option is like a toggle option. The copy option is used to make a duplicate copy of the selected portion of text. The print option is used to print the document. Finish? Now, next, answer the following question. First one, name the control buttons of notepad window. Name the control buttons of notepad window. Minimize button, maximize button, close button. These are the control buttons. Write down fast. M-I-N-I-M-I-Z-E minimize, B-U-T-T-O-N button, M-A-X-I-M-I-Z-E maximize, B-U-T-T-O-N button, C-L-O-S-E close, B-U-T-T-O-N button, close button. Minimize button, maximize button, close button. These are the name of control button of the notepad window. Now next one, what is the use of page setup option? Why we are using page setup option in notepad? Why it is useful? This option used for any changes that need to be made in the size of the paper. If you want to change any size of the paper, then we can change by using page setup option. What is the question? What is the use of page setup option? This option used for any changes that need to be made in the size of the paper. State the use of font option. State the use of font option. This option is used to change the font size and style. font option is useful if you want to change the font style or font size. What is the answer? This option is used to change the font size style. State the use of font option. This option is used to change the font size style. Fourth one, last one question. What is the use of cut option? What is the use of cut option? Cut option is used to remove the selected text from the file. Cut option is used to remove the selected text from the file. Write down fast. Now read with me. Name the control buttons of Notepad window. Minimize button, maximize button, close button. Second one, what is the use of page setup option? This option used for any changes that need to be made in the size of paper. Third one, state the use of font option. This option is used to change the font size style. What is the use of cut option? Cut option is used to remove the selected text from the file. How to open the notepad? There are two steps to open the notepad. First one, click on the start button, all program, accessories and then notepad. And what is the second option? Click on the start button, then click on the run and in that window type notepad and then press the enter key. Finish writing. Now we'll see how to write in notepad. This is our notepad window. First one is title bar, menu bar. These are the control buttons, and it is the workspace. Here we can write workspace, or we can say text area. It is the text area. Here we can write. We will write. How to write ABCD? You can see here space is not there. Why space is not there? Yes, because I am not using the space bar. Right? Now I want to go to the next line. How to go to next line? By using enter key. Where is the enter key? On the keyboard. Press the enter key, then you can see your cursor is to the next line. Then A, then give space. Space means press the space bar option, then B, space bar, C, space bar, and then D. You can see difference between using the space bar key and without using the space bar key. Here I am writing this ABCD directly. I am not using any another key, but if then you can see it is a small ABCD. But if you want to write the capital ABCD, then how to type the capital ABCD? We will go next line. How to go next line? Press the enter key. Then by using the shift button also we can write all letters capital A. Using the shift key, how we can type? Continuously press the shift key and then write the A, B, C, D. Press continuously shift key and then write the letter you want to type the capital. Now we will go to the next line, and we don't want to press the shift key. Then by using the caps lock key, if we on the caps lock and directly if we write the alphabet, then you can see letters also capital. Here between A and B, C and D, B and C, space is there. Here which button I am using? Yes, space bar. Good, space bar I am using here. Now we will go to the next line. If you want to write the numbers, then on keyboard numbers also there, then we will write numbers 1, then give space 2, 3. Why space is there? Because I am using the space bar. If I am not using the space bar key, then we cannot see the space between number or letter. How to save the file? You can see menus are there. Click on the file, then save as. Then this type of window will be appear. Where you want to save? If before that you having any folder, means on the desktop, C, D drive, if you having the folder, then open this folder and saving that. If you don't having the folder, then you can save on the drive also, but we will save here on the desktop. Then select the desktop where you want to save. You don't having folder. If you having folder, then you can select the folder from here. But here you don't having your special folder. Then here you can see file name. Select it and write the file name. We will write here 5 is our chapter name, and suppose 1 is my roll number. Then 51. Then afterwards what to do? Save. Which number? I gave 51. Then you can see this 51 is on the title bar. This 51 is title bar. You can see title bar. Everyone understand how to write the letters, how to write the numbers. Same also you can write spelling also. Rain, rain. Where you want to give the space, there you can give the space. If you don't want to give the space, then don't give the space. Same as it is. Page number 22 also having the activity, writing the roll number and name. Second one, our activity is writing the numbers from 1 to 50. Third one is writing on the myself 10 lines. Then writing our colors. Then fill in the blanks, complete the number. Write number in word. This is the activity. Everyone got it? How to write? If you want to give more space, then press the space bar more time. Then you can see this type of distance. If you want little bit space, then give only one time space bar. Now clear everyone? Now what is the homework for you? Read the lesson, underline the hard words and solve the skill sheet. Thank you.